Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I will be showing you how to install WordPress on Mac M1. So this is how I downloaded WordPress, going to wordpress.org. Then I will download Mamp, where I will install the local web development on Mac M1. See, I'm going to the free download using Google, and then I'm downloading the Mac Mamp 6.1 for Mac M1. So this is how it's downloaded. I'm installing it now. So I click on continue. Then I am accepting the license. Agree to it. Using the internal SSD, it will take 1.75 GB. Putting in the password. So now I have skipped to the end of the installation. It is installed. I'm going to open Mamp now. So it has installed two versions, Mamp Pro and Mamp. So we are going to use the free version, which is ad based. I'm going to go to the preferences, where I'm going to set the ports. So ports are automatically set, and then I will go to the location where the htdocs are there. I will copy the WordPress file and then extract it here only, so that I can install the WordPress inside the. I deleted the zip file. So now I'm going to start the server. Server is started. I'm going to go to the localhost, so I've clicked on the link. This is how the Mamp is installed. So I'm going to go to the directory WordPress, where the WordPress is downloaded and unzipped. Here it is asking for the database credentials, so that can save the backend data of the WordPress. I'm going to go to the phpMyAdmin so that I can access the SQL side of the server, where I'm going to create a new database. So the database name can be anything you like. I'm giving the demo name WordPress. So root is having a password here, so that it is not accessed by everyone in my local system. I'm going to give it a random password. I'm going to give it all the privileges to edit, delete, and rename the user to admin, so that, because root is already there, I'm going to paste the credentials. Then I'll run the installation. So it is asking for the site title and the basic site details. I'm just leaving it a basic thing right now. I'll copy the password so that I can access the admin portal after a while. This can be anything, the email address. You can give your email address in case you want to receive the emails directly from the WordPress installation. I am pasting a password to log in. And this is how the WordPress is successfully installed on the local machine. Now you can create your own website inside this WordPress installation